Today we're going to be talking about how to eliminate the IRA early withdrawal penalty. This is not financial or legal advice, and you shouldn't rely on it without consulting with your own legal or financial advisor. Most IRA holders understand that there can be penalty fees when they take an untimely or early distribution. However, there are a number of exemptions available under certain circumstances. It always goes without saying that it's important to avoid taking retirement distributions prematurely unless you really need to. When you decide on taking an adversity withdrawal, you can lose the tax-exempt compounding for all of the funds that you withdraw, and that could turn out to cost you some significant money at the time of your retirement. But if you really need to take a premature distribution, here are some scenarios that will nullify the penalties. Paying college costs. We know a college education is expensive. However, you can take money from an IRA without a penalty to pay higher education costs for your children, grandchildren, or a spouse. A first-time residential purchase. Now, there is a lifetime limitation of $10,000 that can be taken from IRAs for this purpose. However, if you need some cash to buy a house, this may make it simpler for you. Non-reimbursed medical charges. If you should be seriously injured or severely ill, and that necessitates expensive and prolonged treatment, the early distribution fee will be waived, provided that the bills are more than 7.5% of your taxable income. Healthcare insurance premiums. If you become unemployed, you will not be charged a penalty if you use your IRA funds to pay for health insurance, provided that you've been unemployed for more than 12 weeks. Pay back income taxes to the IRS. If a levy is put against your individual retirement account for back taxes, you can pay those taxes from that IRA without penalty. Incapacity of the IRA possessor. If the IRA holder becomes permanently impaired and cannot act in his or her own behalf, money can be distributed without penalty from that IRA. Death of the IRA owner. Well, we don't like to think about dying, but you might like to know that if you pass away before you turn 59 and a half, and an authorized person withdraws funds from your IRA, your estate will not be penalized for those withdrawals. Finally, the IRA owner turns 59 and a half. Well, of course, this is the best way to make the most of an IRA, because then you can do it without penalty just due to age. Whether you maintain a standard IRA or a Roth IRA, you need to be alert to a condition that's related to the exceptions. There is a 5-year waiting period until the owner becomes eligible for making withdrawals, and that's calculated in tax years. So, for example, you cannot deposit $3,000 in an IRA this year and withdraw it next year without the penalty, even if it would otherwise meet the criteria for an exemption. Thanks for taking a listen. I hope that this has helped you, and we'll talk to you later.